professor in NHE Mechanical Engineering. So this project is about the extraction of tender coconut water. So what exactly is this project? So this project is about extracting the tender coconut water, okay, with reduced human effort, and also provide the hygiene. And also in addition to this, you extract the tender coconut water at a faster rate compared to the manual process. Even though this is a manual process, the rate of extraction of this tender coconut water is at a faster rate, and also to provide the hygienic tender coconut water. This is the main objective of this project. We are designing this existing setup, whatever is that. For this we need a setup. We have designed a setup for this. So this is the design setup of this tender coconut water. It mainly consists of a base. There is a long seamless tube. In order to reduce the weight of the entire apparatus, you have a long seamless tube. So you have a coconut holder here that various different sizes in order to accommodate tender coconut of various sizes. So in addition to this, you have a coconut stopper. Once you hold this, you have to protect it during the force when you apply the exact force. So that force is applied by using a fulcrum, and we have a link which is horizontally placed over the fulcrum. Okay, when you give, the one end of the link is attached to a foot pedal, the other end is connected to the link 2. So the link 2 is in turn attached to the whole container. The container where which the coconut water gets extracted. And in addition to this, this is integrated to the piercing punch here. This holder as well as the cutting tool is made up of stainless steel material, mainly which is used in food processing industry, so that in order to avoid any contamination of this tender coconut. So once you press this foot pedal, you apply the force or the effort here. This link moves about the fulcrum. It moves about the fulcrum, and the link 2 just displaces there, and it pierces the punch as you keep the coconut in the slot. So, and the coconut water is extracted. It gets purified and gets contained in this water. So this is the existing setup which we have. We have manufactured this also. So this is just a 3D diagram of that.
What is this purifier?
You have the purifier inside this. Inside the storage container, yeah, so that in order to avoid any external contamination or the internal contamination from the tender coconut. So when you apply the load here, it moves. The link 1 swivels about the fulcrum, the link 2 moves up, it pierces the coconut, the water gets directed to the storage container. So this is the setup. So why we are doing this? So at present, there are currently 3 different machines, like coconut water extraction machine, which is in Madur. It is also a manual process. Ours also is a manual process, but the effort required to pierce that and to get the tender coconut water extracted is very less. Whereas here, whatever they are doing in Madur, they have a lever which is integrated along with the cutting tool. So they have to apply the force manually in order to pierce a hole in the coconut and to extract the water. So this is one of the existing process which is being used in Madur, that is in Karnataka. Whereas you also have an automated extraction of this coconut water, which is in Brazil. So this cutting tool or the piercing punch, whatever I've showed, this piercing punch, yeah, it's actuated hydraulically. So the cost of this equipment will be more. Similarly, you have a manual extraction of coconut water even in Hyderabad, same as the which is used in Madur. So what exactly is this? So from this, whatever we have designed, we have got to know that the water, the tender coconut water can be extracted at a very faster rate. That is 1.5 to 2 liters per minute. It can be extracted at a very faster rate, and also it's very hygienic. The third important point is the safety of the vendors and also the customers, because many of this what we see in the roadside are manually operated and they are prone to injuries. So in order to avoid that, you can use this method. So what can be done? What is the improvement which can be done in this project? So you can, instead of manually operating this, you can integrate this with a quick return motion mechanism, so that the mechanism repeats itself, and this can be automated and synchronized along with this. That is one of the objectives. You can go for a better, because this is manually operated. Once you provide it to the servo motor, you can integrate it and you can automate the process, entire process. So in addition to this, you can also use a roboting arm for placing the coconut in the exact coconut slot. So, and also in general now no one has gone for mass production of this tender coconut water. So we can mass produce this tender coconut water, sell it in, contain it in some Tetra packs and sell it. So that is one thing which no one has done till now. We have got coconut milk in Tetra packs, but not coconut water. We can go for that. And also a hand shirt can be fixed to extract the endosperm. That is nothing but the white milky part. You can extract that also. So this is the important and the future scope of this project.